Konnichiwa, it's Nami from Just One Cookbook, back with another video for you. Today we are making kabocha flan, or in Japanese we call it kabocha pudding. Kabocha is a squash or pumpkin depending on where you live. Since it tastes sweet, we not only use it for savory dishes, but also for desserts. I previously shared kabocha pie recipe, so don't forget to check it out. We'll be using the Instant Pot to pressure cook both kabocha and the flan. Now let's get started. so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. If you love Japanese food, please follow along on Instagram and Facebook at Just One Cookbook. Since you guys are all watching till the end, here's the Japanese word of the day. Pudding. Flan or cream caramel in Japan is called pudding. We pronounce as rin, not rin or rin. It's the Japanese R sound between R and L. If you want to say, this pudding is delicious, say, このプリンは美味しいです。このプリンは美味しいです。Have fun using it. Subscribe if you haven't already and make sure to click the bell icon. Sending big thanks and love to the notification squad. See you next time with a brand new video here on my YouTube channel. またね!